So at Nutrition Bites, we think it's important to remember that not all fats that we find in food are bad fats. Certain vitamins need fats in order to be able to be absorbed into the body, and these include vitamins A, D, E and K. It's also important to remember that some foods classed as low fat often contain incredibly high levels of sugar to make up for the lack of fat, so be wise. The key tip from us is to minimise your saturated fat intake. Evidence shows us that the surplus consumption of saturated fat causes a greater increase in the amount of fat in the liver and the abdomen, which is known as visceral fat, in comparison with the surplus consumption of even polyunsaturated or monounsaturated fats. Some fats can even lower our risk of heart disease or stroke and lower bad LDL cholesterol levels whilst increasing good HDL cholesterol levels. So make good food choices. Try adding olive oil, avocados, almonds, hazelnuts and chia seeds to your diet. So I'm Carla Crocombe, founder and managing director of Safety Rocks Limited, creator of Nutrition Bites, nutritional learning, one bite at a time.